Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to study about barley. In previous videos, I have covered about rice, wheat and maize. If you haven't watched them, please watch them. So, barley, what is the scientific name of barley? It is Hordeum vulgare. 2n is equals to 14. So, I always tell in each and every video that when you are reading one crop, please compare it with the already completed crops that you have studied. So, recall what is the chromosome number of maize, wheat, and rice. And fruit type is caryopsis. In rice also it is caryopsis. Inflorescence is spike. Spike is the inflorescence of wheat as well. Next, soil, loamy soils are used, which are very fertile and deep, and it can withstand drought conditions, and it can also uh, grow in saline soils. It is a salt tolerant crop, and the pH is between 6.5 to 8.5. So it can withstand alkaline conditions and saline conditions as well. So what is the dwarfing gene in barley? Uju. Uju is from Japan. So in the same way we discussed about dwarfing genes in wheat and rice as well. So recall them. So rather than consuming rice, we consume in rice, wheat, and maize, we consume it in our day-to-day life. But barley is the importance of barley is little less. The grains of barley are mostly used in malting industry for preparation of beer, alcohol, vinegar. And the protein in barley is albuminoids. What is the protein in maize? Zein. What is the protein in rice? Or raisin. So recall them. Uh, so next we'll discuss about the classification of paddy. So there are three types of barley that we cultivate. First, Hordeum vulgare, distichon, and irregular. Hordeum vulgare ఏదైతే ఉందో that is 6 row barley, and ఇండియాలో ఎక్కువ కల్టివేట్ చేస్తాం. అండ్ బార్లీకి 3 స్పైక్లెట్స్ ఉంటాయి. ఆ 3 స్పైక్లెట్స్ హార్డియం వల్గార్లో ఫర్టైలే. అదే డిస్టిచోన్లో చూస్తే 3 స్పైక్లెట్స్లో ఓన్లీ సెంట్రల్ స్పైక్లెట్ మాత్రమే ఫర్టైల్, రిమైనింగ్ 2 ఫర్టైల్ కాదు. అండ్ డిస్టిచాన్ డై అంటే 2, రిమెంబర్ దట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ 2 row బార్లీ. అండ్ ఇర్రెగ్యులర్ అంటే ఇక్కడ 3 స్పైక్లెట్స్లో ఒక్కొక్క దగ్గర ఏది ఫర్టైలో ఏది ఇన్ఫర్టైలో వీ కాంట్ టెల్. సో ద ఫర్టిలిటీ ఈస్ ఇర్రెగ్యులర్. సో ఇట్ ఈస్ నోన్ యాజ్ హార్డియం ఇర్రెగ్యులర్. అండ్ ఇది 6 row ఉంటుంది, 2 row రెండు ఉంటుంది. సో లెట్స్ టాక్ అబౌట్ వెరైటీస్. Varieties లో HB1 ఇది ఫస్ట్ హైబ్రిడ్ ఇన్ బార్లీ. వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఫస్ట్ హైబ్రిడ్ ఇన్ బార్లీ? HB1. నెక్స్ట్, డోల్మా. ఇట్ ఈస్ ద వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ వెరైటీ which doesn't have huskless variety. Next, amber is salt tolerant, ajad, kailash. These are some of the varieties. And molia is the very important nematode causing disease in barley. So nematode resistant varieties are Rajkiran, RD2052. These are the varieties. So see, we'll study more about the crops that we mostly use in our day-to-day life. So the information about barley is little less. And seed rate also, critical stage is tillering. What is the sowing time? Second fortnight of November. Depth of sowing should be 3.3 to 5. Spacing should be 22.5 into 10 for irrigated. This is for irrigated. And rain-fed 2.5, ఆల్మోస్ట్ 2.5 నుంచి 25 మధ్యలో ఉంటుంది. So depth. So the most important thing in barley is the leaf of barley is called sessile. What is the leaf of barley? Sessile. This is important. Next, salt tolerant variety of barley, amber. Huskless variety of barley, dolma. What is the first hybrid of barley? HB1. So these are some of the very important varieties that you should remember. And the seed rate here, irrigated, rain-fed and saline conditions. So you can grow in saline conditions also. It is drought tolerant and saline tolerant crop, barley. And what is the dwarfing gene? Uju. Remember that. సో ఇందులో ఎర్లీ ఇంకా లేట్ ఎర్లీ సోయింగ్ కి లేట్ సోయింగ్ కి ఎంత సీడ్ రేట్ అనేది హియర్ యూ కెన్ సీ రీడ్ అబౌట్ దిస్. అండ్ ఫర్ వీట్స్ ఫర్ pre-emergent weeds we go for pendimethalin, and for post-emergent weeds we go for isoprotone. So this is about barley. In the next video we'll discuss about sorghum, pearl millet and all. So thank you, let's meet in the next video. So if you like my video, please subscribe, like and share it with your friends.